Come back to the next video. So today I want to talk to you about CodePush for Flutter. So there is this new company founded called Shorebird. It is founded by the creator of Flutter, Eric Seidel. Many of you might know him. So CodePush did not existed for Flutter. So first I will explain what CodePush is. So consider a web app, and whenever you suppose you have shipped some kind of a bug in your web app. Now to rectify it, you would immediately do some code fixes and deploy it to your server, and as soon as it is deployed, it is automatically available to the user as soon as he visits the link or the user refreshes the page, right? He doesn't so But in cases of apps, whenever there is a new update, the user has to download the app from the Play Store or App Store, or even they have done automatic updates. uh, you never know, they might have not enabled those automatic updates, so it is very error prone. So what code push does, so this code push concept was first introduced by React Native. uh, so suppose you have shipped some kind of a bug in your app with the help of code push. Like React Native is mostly JavaScript, right? So if there is some bug in your JavaScript code, you can just immediately fix it and do some kind of a code push, so that user does not have to download the app again. So for React Native, mostly you would use Microsoft App Center, right? And I have used Microsoft App Center for code push. It is extremely terrible for Android. So I will tell you why. Because the issue which I faced is that whenever I would make some changes and do a code push for Android, it would work for iOS, but even that was little finicky. So for Android, why it was terrible is that it won't work on low end devices. Like I did some kind of a fix, like small fix, some text changes, and I did a code push, and suddenly all my images were not displaying. I don't know why. Then we have to cancel that code push again, deploy it to the Play Store and App Store manually, and then it uh, worked as expected. Microsoft App Center's code push for React Native, especially for Android, was extremely terrible according to my experience. Last I tried was in 2021. Not sure if, I don't think it has improved any bit. Also, for iOS, the issue is that whenever you try to code push, suppose I have downloaded the app just 5 minutes ago and you did a code push after 5 minutes. Now if I open the app, I will still see a alert box saying that there is been an update. So we have to click that update button, and it takes some time, like around 10 to 15 seconds depending on your app size, for that JavaScript bundler to load, to reload. So it is, and there is no progress bar as such. Like I don't understand, like the React Native community keeps praising how code push is awesome, but in reality it is extremely terrible. Now I'm not saying Flutter's code push is awesome, like I have not even tried it. Like I just wanted to make this video just to make you guys aware that there is code push for Flutter coming soon. I don't think it is in production, available for production yet, but do keep an eye on this channel. As well as I also I think the code push which Eric Seidel has shown in this video is only for Android. They have not shown it for iOS. As well as they have hired one more engineer called Felix. Like Felix is extremely popular guy in the Flutter community as well, and he has joined Shorebird along with Eric Seidel like a week or two ago. And even in this demo which which Felix has shared, he is showing it for Android. Like I don't see anything for iOS as of yet. Also, I'm not sure how will there be some kind of intermediate server between Play Store and App Store which Shorebird will provide us, like, or will Shorebird will provide us with CI/CD pipeline. There is already a CI/CD pipeline called CodeMagic which is extremely popular for Flutter. So not really sure how things will go, but you can definitely visit the Shorebird website if you want to. So yeah, those are my thoughts on code push. Like I'm not really a huge fan of code push for app development. Like especially, like I had tried only for React Native, it causes more problem, especially on Android. uh, then it solves. So yeah, but I hope it improves in future. Also, uh, Meta has not released their infrastructure for doing code push, right? First of all, I am not even sure if Meta or Facebook, whatever, is using React Native or not. Like I already have a video on my channel where Facebook has released a blog saying how their engineering for iOS works, and there was no mention for React Native. Like, even if they might be using React Native in some app or the other, they have not open sourced their infrastructure for CodePush. So the CodePush from Microsoft is extremely terrible. I'm extremely sorry to say that. Like, I don't like shitting on other people's work or other people's project. I'm not that kind of a guy, but yeah, but the reality, it is what it is. Yes, right. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing this code push from Flutter as well, and this might give a good competition to React Native to improve their code push strategies as well. So it indirectly might benefit both Flutter and React Native. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.